Earth. It's more than just a planet. It's our home. Humankind has traveled a long way to discover our remarkable world, and for that, we needed more than just horses. We needed cars and planes, and even spaceships. However, even now with electric cars, which solved one gas pollution problem, the energy-intensive aluminum which cars are made of is here to stay. But that doesn't mean it has to pollute our planet. Our mission is to use innovative technology to circle back to the purest form of metal as it can get, without damaging the environment. At Eccomelt, we thrive on helping our partners in their pursuit of zero carbon emissions by providing them with a world-class aluminum created by our patented low-carbon technology. Our innovative product, Eccomelt Free 56.2, was developed by our devoted engineers as a counterbalance to the use of high-carbon aluminum and to identify sustainable products. In fact, once it came out of the lab, we discovered that Eccomelt 356.2 was not only sustainable and cost-effective, but also like primary aluminum, only better. Our product has helped our partners to get aluminum with one of the lowest carbon footprints on the market, and to build their ability to have a sustainable supply chain. In a world that needs to be preserved, circularity is the most effective way of reaching our goal. And that's our purpose. That's who we are. We are